told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Environmental fee is 150 pesos. So last window na bibili na po tayo ng boat ticket. So dito yung sa window 8. Guys, meron na tayong boat ticket. Ang boat ticket is only 40 pesos. So diretso na po tayo. So ayun na, so medyo mura siya, no? Mas mura talaga siya. Kasi as compare na kapag ka nag-agency ka na airport transfer, parang 800 na yung pinakamababa. So kapag kinumpute natin siya mamaya, tignan natin yung difference. yung pinaka last step. So, last na beses yun ay papakita yung QR code. Dito sa step na to, bibigyan na kayo ng seat number or kung saan kayong boat sasakay. So, hintayin na lang natin kung saan tayo. So, ayun na yung last step. Bali, bibigyan nila kayo ng ganitong stub para malaman nyo kung saan kayong bangka sasakay and kung anong seat number kayo. So, ayun yung mga bangka. Naghihintay sila doon. So, nakita ko na yung bangka natin. Yun yung bangka natin, Rian Dave. So, sakay na tayo. Tara na. Medyo maalo na. So, konting ingat. Okay, nandito na tayo. So, seat number 38 tayo. Hintayin na lang natin siyang mapuno. And then, tatawid na tayo sa Boracay. So, nandito na po tayo sa Boracay. Pero syempre, sasakay pa po tayo ng tricycle para naman po makarating tayo sa hotel o resort na pag-check-in na natin. From the port, meron na po ditong e-trike. So, yung e-trike, 150 isang biyahe. So, kung mag-isa ka, 150 babayaran mo kasi special siya. Pero, kung marami kayo, hahati-hatiin nyo yun, 6 yung kasya, so it's only 25 pesos. Shout out daw kila kuya. So ayun, so mas makakatipid kung mas marami talaga kayo. So tara na. So dahil mag-isa ako, 150 yung babayaran natin. Pero kung gusto nyo makatipid, kung hindi kayo nahihiyang makiusap sa iba, edi maghintay kayo na makakasabay ninyo. Nandito na tayo sa ating hotel na 200 pesos lang per night. Pero syempre mamaya ko na sa inyo sasabihin kung anong hotel to. At mamaya ko na rin po kayo i-room tour. So magre-recap po muna tayo ng mga nagastos natin sa araw na ito sa airport transfer natin na DIY. So, recap na tayo guys kung magkano nga po ba ang ating nagastos sa ating DIY transfer. First, from airport to the port, tricycle, it's 100 pesos. Magbabayad kayo ng terminal fee which is 100 pesos. Another fee, yung environmental fee for tourists is 150 pesos. And then yung boat ride nyo na 40 pesos. Plus, ang last na gagastusin ninyo ay yung 150 pesos e-trike or tricycle from the port going to your hotel. Kung 800 pesos po yung airport transfer via agency, so kung 540 lang po magagastos nyo, makakatipid ka agad po kayo ng 260 pesos. One way pa lang po yan. Yung pabalik, mas mura na po yung gagastusin ninyo dahil hindi na kayo magbabayad ng environmental fee. So tipid tips po yan, mag-DIY na lang po kayo. Maliban na lang po kung syempre, meron kayong kasamang seniors or mga bata. We are back here in Manila. So update lang po tayo doon po sa ating DIY transfer. And guess what guys, ang nagastos ko po pabalik ay 160 pesos only. Yes, 160 pesos lang po. Paano? Ganito lang po ang gawin ninyo. From your hotel, halimbawa na sa D-Mall, huwag kayong sasakay ng e-trike na mga nakaparada. Lakad lang po kayo ng konti and then from time to time meron naman po sa inyong hihinto na e-trike na meron na po silang ibang sakay. So bago po kayo sumakay, tanungin nyo kaagad sila kung dadaan po sila sa may port and then tanungin nyo kaagad kung magkano. So pag sa D-Mall po kayo manggagaling, dapat ang pinaka-maximum na po nagagastos ninyo ay 50 pesos. In my case po, 20 pesos lang po yung nagastos ko kasi po malapit na po yung hotel ko doon sa may port. So pagdating nyo naman po ng port, ang babayaran nyo na lang po ay 100 pesos para po sa terminal fee. So wala na po kayong babayaran na environmental fee. Ang huling-huli nyo na pong babayaran ay yung boat ticket. So ganito po yan, makinig po kayong mabuti. Pagdating nyo po doon sa window na yon, ang sisingilin po kaagad nila sa inyo automatically is 150. Kasi kasama na daw po doon yung from port papuntang airport na tricycle. So wag po. Ang gawin nyo po, lalo na po kung marami po kayo, kung 4 po kayo halimbawa, boat lang po yung bayaran ninyo. Kasi pagdating na po doon sa may mismong port, meron na po doong tricycle na naghihintay na 100 pesos lang po sa 4 na tao papunta ng airport. So imagine, 100 pesos lang, 4 na po kayo. So ang laking tipid po talaga. Pero ito po ang ginawa ko kung talagang solo traveler po kayo or group po kayo na talagang gustong-gusto nyo pong makatipid. Walkathon. Alam nyo po ba na wala pa pong 10 minutes ang lakad from the port going to the airport. So kung talagang gusto nyong makatipid, yun na lang din po ang gawin ninyo. Pero syempre nga, kung marami po kayong kasamang bata or meron po kayong mga senior citizen, syempre consider nyo pa rin yung kanilang comfort. So sana po nakatulong po yung mga tips namin sa inyo. At kung nakatulong, syempre subscribe naman po, no? So ito na po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na 200 pesos a night hotel. So disclaimer lang po, ito pong hotel na ito ay malayo po sa may White Beach, pero meron po silang scheduled shuttle papunta po ng D-Mall from the hotel and vice versa po yun. So ladies and gentlemen, presenting Short Time Dormitel. Entrance nila. So okay tayo dun sa may second floor kasi nandun yung kanilang pinaka-lobby. Doon tayo mag-check.